Dr. Vishnu Kumar. Today I discuss Petromyzon marinus, classification, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrates, class Cyclostomata, order Petromyzontia, family Petromyzontidae, genus Petromyzon and species Marinus. Most primitive living vertebrates called Ostrodicodon, Paleozoic fish-like jaws vertebrate characterized by heavily round body. About at present 30 species, both freshwater and marine water. Some of them are Petromyzon marinus, Lampetra planeri. Petromyzon marinus is the best known species. External characters of Petromyzon: marine animal and keep near the bottom, sagnivorous, blood-sucking, ectoparasite. Water is drawn into gill pool and expelled out through external gill slit for respiration. Actively swim about in water by lateral undulation of its highly muscular body. Breeds only once in its whole life. Fertilization is external. Life history includes a larva called ammocyte. Lamprey have no bones. They do not occur in fossil record. It destroys valuable food fishes by sucking their blood. Body is long, slender, eel-like and scaleless. Body is somewhat greenish with patch of dark color on the back. Underside is pale or white. Body is about 90 cm long. Body regions mainly divided in three parts: head, trunk, tail. Head. 4 parts: mouth, nares, eyes, gill slit. First, nares lays on the dorsal surface of the head. Leads into blind sac, olfactory sac, which serves as organ of smell. Behind the nares is the pineal eye present. Eye occupy lateral position in the leg, head, eyelids and covered by transparent skin. Conjunctiva, gill slit are small rounded aperta present in 2 longitudinal rows behind eyes, one on either side. Water enters and leaves alternately for respiration. Trunk. Legs paired appendage, bears anterior and posterior dorsal fin supported by fin rays. At junctions with tail, colica is present with a very small aperture anus. Behind the anus lies the urinogenital aperture. Tail bears the caudal or tail fin supported by the fin ray. Body wall: skin, muscles and peritoneum. Skin, peridermis and dermis, composed of many layers of cells. Mucous glands are present in the epidermis, dermis, thinner than the epidermis, formed of collagen and elastin fibers, vessels, nerves and smooth muscles fibers. Beneath the dermis is the subcutaneous tissue containing fat. Muscles of trunk and tail are arranged in zigzag segments. The myomeres separated by connective tissue septa called mycomata. Myomeres on one side cause bending of the entire body in that direction. So locomotion is brought by alternate contraction of right and left myomeres. Coelom. Body was enclosed a cavity called coelom in the trunk, divided into 2 parts: pericardial cavity containing pharynx and heart, abdominal cavity containing digestive and urinogenital organ except kidneys, lined by parenteral peritoneum. Pericardial cavity communicates with the abdominal cavity in larva by pericardio-peritoneal pore. Endoskeleton. In cartilaginous in Petromyzon, comprise of skull and notochord. Skull in simple primitive. Floor of cranium is formed of basal plate. At middle is the prominent aperture basicranial fontanelle 4. The passage of duct of nasohypophyseal sac. At side of basal plate, auditory capsule are present. A median olfactory capsule is attached to cranium by fibrous tissue only. Vertebrate column persists throughout the life, enclosed by cordial sheet, supports the spinal cord and the brain. From the side of notochord arise the small vertical cartilage that extend upward on the side of a spinal cord. This cartilage corresponds to neural and interneural arches, and similar cartilage in the tail region extend downward as hemial arch. Special characters: buccal funnel with a horny teeth of attachment, shooking mouth, a single medial nares, numerous slim glands, pharynx having branchial basket, peculiar sac-like gill chambers, a large thyroid gland, presence of nasohypophyseal sac. Thank you.